Okay guys, so today we will be unboxing the S5 Smart Charger. Let's open it up. This is the Smart Sensor Car Wireless Charger. And its packaging is great. Let's see. This is the wireless charger, and this wireless charger will work without with the case on your phone, and your phone must support wireless charging, so you can use this wireless charger, and it supports UC wireless fast charging equipment for S7, S7H and up. Okay, you must use a UC 3.0 charger or the Samsung adaptive fast charging. And this is the product itself. This is the infrared sensor, that one, and this one on the back. This one is for the vent of your car or any. It will fit on most vents of the car. This is its strap. No, it will fit on any kind of vents on your car. You just gotta just push hard and that's it. You can adjust it from any angle, and it comes with a free Type C. Comes with a Type C cable. And this is the lock for here. User manual, English and Chinese versions. This is where you put the charging cable. Inside in here. That. Now we're going to test it with my Samsung Galaxy S7. It's the wireless charger, and I put it in here, and I have plugged it in through my Samsung fast charger, and we're going to test it with this Samsung Galaxy S7. This Galaxy S7 has a fast charging, and it has wireless charging capability too. Now we're going to put it in, just the sensor, then put your phone. Now the charge. It says As you can see, it is charging, fast charging wirelessly. And to release the clamp, you're just going to click that and then get your phone out. Again, if you want to charge, just wave your phone and like that. Now it will charge. Then again, there's a sensor back in here, just like this. Then it opens and close. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my videos, and like and subscribe, and peace out.
I can never find the right way to tell you. Have you noticed that I'm gone? 'Cause I left behind the home that you made me, but I will carry it along. And it's a long